guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goonzquad headquarters up on the mountain, and today we're going to continue working on our brand new build, or not actually continue, we're going to start working on it right here. Alrighty guys, so check this out. So we brought out the Porsche 911 here, and we did a few things, and we even cracked open our ARMYTRIX exhaust,
dude. You got that right. We're about to start mocking that thing up right there from ARMYTRIX. But dude, oil pan, brand new, doesn't leak anymore, got all the oil in there, got it running right.
Exhaust right here, which we actually have to completely just customize,
yeah,
right?
this is our base right here. We're gonna start with this. This is just for the turbo, but you know, we got the GT2 rear bumper that has just a dual exit exhaust that just goes straight out. So this is technically gonna be a cat delete, so it's gonna sound amazing. It's gonna sound way better than this.
It's gonna shoot flames, dude, probably, dude.
Hopefully it shoots them out the bumper. That's gonna be super awesome. So there is gonna be some customizing. I mean, we might possibly use this and use the Valvetronics, or we might just be able to use this, maybe even delete this so we don't have to use the valves no more and just straight pipe it, you know?
Pretty much.
Just we're gonna do whatever works the best, you know?
Yeah, whatever works the best and whatever sounds the best. So if it does sound a little bit better with the muffler, we might just incorporate that. But dude, it's about to sound insane, dude.
100%.
The car overall just looks insane. Just
bringing it out, dude.
The Huracan was super easy to get all the parts for, dude.
We found all the parts within like a week, and we got them in within like a week. You know, Huracans are everywhere, man. You can literally find parts anywhere, but usually Porsches are very difficult, and also we're doing a conversion, so it's even harder.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and probably see if we can connect this exhaust right quick and shoot some flames.
Shoot some flames. Turbo, dude. That's perfect.
There it goes. Dude, I bet the turbos are about to whistle like crazy.
Just the turbo noise is already just sitting here idling, dude. It's so great, dude.
Right now it's open. I think when they close, maybe you'll hear more turbo. Maybe. I don't know.
See.
Go ahead, do some revs, dude.
Trying to get this thing done. This thing is going to be incredible on the road.
Dude, imagine the paddle shifters downshifting. Imagine what it's going to sound like, dude.
I wonder if we can get somebody to tune this thing to shoot some flames.
I think so, 100%.
Dude, that'd be epic.
Wouldn't be an issue at all. We just have to get this thing roadworthy, and then we're going straight to the dyno, dude.
Dude, dyno, and then we're going to go straight ripping, dude.
Straight racing, dude. Alrighty guys, so we just quickly wired up the valves, and it was pretty simple to actually wire this stuff up. You just got to run a line to the OBD2 port over there, and then you have some vacuum lines out the back over here. Got everything connected, and it is officially going to work. So it's going to quiet down a lot, but I think it's going to sound epic either way, dude. Are you ready to fire it up, dude?
I'm ready when you are, dude.
Go ahead, man. I wonder if it's going to actually start up in closed position or open.
It might close right away. You ready?
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Open is the way to go, dude.
Dude, that sounds like probably quieter than soft right there, dude.
It's not bad.
Cruise around.
If you want to like kind of just sneak around town or something,
dude, sneak around, and then somebody wants to race, press this button. That's insane, dude. That is insane.
That's a huge difference from closed to open.
That is insane.
Wow,
dude.
I want to kind of record the valve opening and closing. Dude, epic, dude.
I gotta say, ARMYTRIX always does a really good job with the Valvetronics.
Dude, they are on point. On the Mustang, it sounds insane. On the Lamborghini, I can't wait to hear it on the Urus, dude. Whenever we fire that thing up, man.
That's gonna sound nasty. like a jet, dude.
Oh my gosh, this thing sounds insane, but I noticed first gear is super long.
Yeah,
dude.
that's what I was saying. It was the first gear is probably the longest gear in any car that we have, dude.
This is crazy, dude. We definitely need to get this thing in the wide open. This is a highway mobile right here, or a racetrack.
One eternity later.
Here, a massive crate came in, and this is some eBay parts for that Porsche, and we are returning that sucker back to original, and I think it's just gonna be the fastest way to get that sucker ripping around because it looks beautiful as a GT2 RS, but you know what? It doesn't function as a GT2 RS, and there's still a lot more that goes into it. Not only do we need to just get all the stuff from the exterior, there's a bunch of scoops and ducts that we gotta get for the front end, the back end, gotta customize the rear exhaust. Radiators, so much more that goes into that. We just figured, why not just go original, the fastest way to do this, and it's just gonna be done, and we can enjoy the car, and you guys can see it ripping around, and I think it's still gonna look beautiful. Clean, so aggressive. Also, we took care of a few other things in the back, like some brackets and these burnt exhaust tips right here. Look how beautiful that looks.
That's
right there,
gonna look
dude.
so good sticking out that rear bumper, dude.
Dude, ARMYTRIX exhaust sounds insane on this car, and now it just makes it look even better out the back. Especially, it's gonna look insane once we throw on that rear bumper. So
oh yeah, dude.
That's what's very next. It's cooking over there. I think it's ready. We're gonna put it completely together, slap it on, and pretty much have this sucker ready to rip. Dang, dude, this thing looks so good.
Feels good.
Does it? Yeah, I hear Porsches are great driving cars, dude.
Feels good, dude.
Man, fire. It almost does, like a little bit. Now that it's got some original bumpers on it.
Yeah.
But dude, yeah, it definitely shoots a little bit of flames.
Don't say that to me. I'll get excited. Okay. Open up sport Whoa, dude! Oh my goodness!
That sounds sick, dude.
Dude, you just hear. I don't think the camera can do it justice. The turbo it just sounds so insane.
That sounds good. We've never had it under load and like cruising around like this, dude. That sounded epic.
Dude, that sounds so nasty.
Oh my gosh. Dude, paddle shifters, dude.
Paddle shifter mode, manual mode.
Whoa, dude, this thing pulls.
Dude, that's just a light. That's just
What?
a light pull. Dang! It sounds like any other car.
Yeah, exactly, because it is a V6, right?
Yeah, V6.
V6 twin turbo, but it's not like a raspy V6.
No.
All that traffic. This thing is a ripper, dude. You did one amazing drift that I didn't capture on camera. That's like... All right,
right, guys, so we are back, and I gotta say, man, this thing is a certified ripper. It is a blast to drive. I'm sad that we let it sit for so long, but I'm happy that we are back at this thing, and this thing is almost done. I mean, it's pretty much done. All we gotta do is some fine tuning, tighten everything up, finish a few little bolts and nuts, and this thing is gonna be just a perfect daily driver for us over here, dude. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.